Ice Universe is back with a new look at One UI 7 animations. A few days ago, a trusted industry insider shared some exciting details about Samsung's One UI 7.0 animations. Now visuals have surfaced, highlighting the smoothness and fluidity of these enhancements. The upcoming software update for Galaxy devices is set to deliver a visually captivating experience. A recently shared video on X showcases the One UI 7.0 animations in action. From pulling down the quick panel to opening, closing, and switching apps via the task manager, the animations feel more seamless and fluid compared to earlier iterations of Samsung's custom Android software. One notable improvement is the quick panel expansion animation, which looks more refined and stable than before. The expand and retract motions are fluid, providing a significant upgrade in functionality and aesthetics. The video also highlights the recent section of Samsung's Android 15-based software, where recently opened apps are prominently displayed in this center, with others arranged in a stacked layout for easy navigation. One UI 6 has often lagged behind iOS and some Chinese Android skins in one area: frequent app opening and closing. However, with One UI 7, these animations feel far more polished. The improved elasticity adds to the experience, making One UI 7 a serious competitor to Apple's iOS. One UI 7's animations are set to impress. First of all, watch this video. A clip shared by Ice Universe reveals just how smooth One UI 7 animations have become. Motion and transitions within the software have been notably enhanced, providing app opening and closing actions that feel highly stable and free of glitches. The screen recording appears to be running on a Galaxy S25 or the S25 Plus smartphone. You can also spot redesigned icons for settings, gallery, phone, and camera, along with a refreshed weather widget featuring a sleeker, slimmer look compared to One UI 6. Samsung enthusiasts will notice the evolution in animation style with One UI. While Apple's iOS is known for smooth animations and reliability, it seems One UI 7 is on track to deliver a comparable experience. This video was first uploaded on the YouTube, but later it was deleted from YouTube. While Samsung appears unlikely to release the One UI 7.0 beta before December, leaks continue to fuel the excitement. In addition to smoother animations, the update promises new features, enhancements, and a revamped UI for a fresh, modern feel. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.